Ever made a pizza on the grill using the Weber grilling stone? If not, I'm going to show you how today. To start, pull your dough out of your fridge and let it sit at room temperature for 1 or 2 hours. This will make your dough much easier to work with. Okay, our pizza dough has doubled in size and come to room temperature. We're ready to make our pizzas. The last step before we get started is we have to preheat our grill and our pizza stone at the same time. You're gonna wanna get your pizza stone into the grill while it's cold. If you put your pizza stone into a hot grill, it runs the risk of cracking as it heats up. We're gonna preheat our grill at 475 for no less than 15 minutes. Conventionally, when making pizza, you see either a lot of flour or a lot of semolina being used. But today, we're gonna keep things a little cleaner by just using parchment paper and a little bit of vegetable oil. We'll start by adding a tablespoon of vegetable oil to our parchment paper. Show that dough who's boss. It doesn't need to be perfectly round. If it isn't, that means it is artisanal. Today we're making a simple pepperoni pizza with tomato sauce, mozzarella cheese, and pepperoni. Okay, the time has arrived. Our pizza has been created. Our grill and our pizza stone have been perfectly preheated for 15 minutes at 475 degrees. The last thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna knock the heat back on the center burner a little bit down to medium, because that burner sits directly underneath our pizza stone and we don't want it to be too hot as our pizza sits on the stone. Let's take a look. Oh, now that is a good looking pizza. We're gonna use our wide spatula. We're gonna get this off onto our sheet pan. Look at that. An important note about pizza stones is not to cool them down in a hurry. Turn your grill off and just leave your pizza stone in here to cool down, or you can leave it on the counter. But try to avoid drastic temperature changes. And there you have it, my absolute favorite way to make pizza using the Weber pizza stone. The pizza is beautiful, the pepperoni has crusted up, the bottom is nice and crunchy. I can't wait to dig into this. It's dinner time. Mmm. Mmm. Mmm.